Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So recently I've been seeing this hack everywhere. People claiming you can get unlimited coins on Pocket FM using just your phone. No laptop, nothing complicated. At first, I thought, yeah, that sounds fake. But then I got curious. What if it actually works? So I decided to test it myself, step by step, using only my phone, exactly like everyone was saying. And in this video, I'm going to show you the full process. And most importantly, the result. So make sure you watch till the end, because this might surprise you. First, you'll need your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. For me, it only took a few seconds to locate. Once I had it, I copied it and saved it so I could use it later. Pretty simple step, nothing complicated here. Next, I opened up a browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but honestly, any browser should work. I searched for the site everyone was talking about. When it loaded, I didn't get any weird pop-ups or redirects. The page actually looked clean and normal, which I didn't really expect. Once I got on the site, I used the search bar to find the Pocket FM Unlimited Coins hack. After that, I selected my device. I'm using Android, but I noticed there was an option for iOS too. Then I entered my user ID, made sure everything was correct, and tapped Continue. Next, it asked me how many coins I wanted. Since I was testing it, I went straight for the maximum. After confirming, a few loading bars popped up, showing everything processing step by step. It was actually pretty easy to follow. Then, right before the final step, there was a quick verification. Nothing complicated, just simple instructions. I had already completed that part earlier. So now, let's skip ahead and check the results. To check if it actually worked, I opened Pocket FM and looked at my coins balance. And yeah, they were already there. No waiting, no restart, everything updated instantly, which honestly surprised me. Have you ever tried something like this? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, drop a like and hit subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.